Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a brand. This brand is called Sugar Kush, and this is what they look like. Love the packaging. Honestly, it inspired today's makeup a bit. I don't know if you can tell. This website, they sell a lot of different CBD products. They have gummies, cookies, and of course CBD oils. And the variety and the range I have not seen at all, actually. I think this is the first website that I see with this much variety, which I really love. The different types of products they have, so you can choose how you'd like to consume your CBD. Sugar Kush, what they make sure is that you're getting healthy ingredients. So, you know, no pesticides, no GMO, none of that. And also, they're making sure it's affordable. So I'm gonna show you guys two of the oils I received. I'm currently using this one. So this is Orange Creamsicle. I really like it. And with one serving, there's 16 milligrams of CBD. And the whole bottle is 500 milligrams of CBD. There's other bottles you can get as well. The dropper, and you take this orally. You can either put it in your food, which is really cool because they have recipes online on how they like to use the oils and their other products, which is really cute. You guys should definitely check that out. I want to try some of those recipes out. Or if you want, what you can do is just take it directly. But I like the fact that they do try to make your experience the best with using their products by, you know, giving you different options of way you can consume it. Everything on their website is lab tested, even the cookies and the gummies. And not only that, but they actually put the lab reports online. So not only are they seeing the lab reports to see what ingredients are in their products, but you get to see it as well. So if you go onto their website, they have an area and it's called lab results or something like that. I think lab reports, sorry. It's called lab reports. You click on it, and then once you click on it, it shows you the actual report that was done, and you can see exactly what is in it, which is just 100% CBD oil. See, for this product right here, they show you that the only thing is in there that is in there is CBD. There's no THC or anything, which means this is not a product that you can get high off of. This is not a mind-altering product or anything like that, or state-altering product, I should say. But it just shows you that they do test to make sure that all their products are consistent and the experience with it is also consistent. This one is the hazelnut CBD oil right here. I have not used this one yet, but I'm really excited. I think this one would be really fun to cook with, honestly, because it is hazelnut flavor. And what I really like is that these flavors are really good. I've tried a lot of different CBD products, and this one doesn't taste unpleasant, actually, which is actually kind of common. What I really like about this brand is they make no claims. So if you see their website, on their website, they're not going to say cures pain, relieves headaches, migraines. They won't say stuff like that, because when it comes to stuff like that, it's better for you to do your own research and to find what works and doesn't work for you, especially when it comes to a product like CBD. It is better for you to do your own research. But it also shows the integrity of this company. It's not making any claims for you or any promises. All it's saying is that the ingredients they're using are non-GMO, 100% CBD, and no pesticides or anything like that. The ingredients they put in it, it's all really safe to use, and you can trust it to be consistent, which is good, because usually with a consistent ingredient means consistent activity with the product, if you know what I mean. Anyways, for me personally, you guys have to try the cookies. I absolutely love them. They're gone now, so I can't hold them up. The chocolate chips is 12.5 milligrams CBD per cookie, and it's only 60 calories, so you don't have to worry about how much calories the cookie has or anything. They made sure that it's overall pretty healthy as well. And then in the cookies, it comes with a total of 100 milligrams CBD, but each cookie is 12.5 milligrams. And then finally is the gummies. The gummies are really nice and convenient. Each gummy has 25 milligrams in it. And yeah, they recommend you to take 1 to 2 gummies a day. You know, try it out and see what works for you. It takes about 30 minutes for you to see it in effect, so just remember that. And if you guys know me, I love CBD bath bombs. I talk about them all the time, and they're just overall really hydrating for your skin. Personally, I love how it makes my skin feel. And they also do have CBD bath bombs too, which I think is really cool. So definitely go onto the website. First of all, it's really pleasing to look at, really easy to navigate and see what you're looking for. And like I said, if you're not sure about a product, just go to lab reports and check out their ingredients because they're very transparent about that as well. But if you guys are interested in trying out the products, definitely check out the link down below. I will definitely leave it. Like I said, definitely reliable and super easy to use. Comment down below what your experience is with CBD and what you use it for, as well as what product from the Sugar and Kush line would you like to try out. Thank you guys so much for watching.